This is by far the most brutally honest crypto message you're going to hear this year. How I went from sleeping in a shop to making over $12,000 in a single month with crypto. And how you can do the same even if you have never touched crypto before. Dear future millionaire, let me start by asking you a simple question. How would your life look like if you made your first $1,000, $4,000 or even $12,000 in the next 90 days? All from the comfort of your bedroom with just your phone and data. Sounds far-fetched, right? Well, what if I told you it's not only possible, but thousands are already doing this even as we watch this video? Okay, let me introduce myself properly. My name is Olonwa Michael Praise, but you can call me about crypto. I'm a digital marketer, real estate consultant, content creator, and a trader. I'm the founder of Skillversity, a platform that helps young Africans to learn high-income digital skills. I'm also the founder of the Web3 Church, a growing community and DAO for people like you who want to escape poverty and grow with crypto. But listen, I did not start with a silver spoon. In fact, I was so broke that I served bricklayer many times just to feed. I lived in Lagos for 5 years without having a house to call mine. I used to sleep in the different shops where I used to work for them as tailors. As a matter of fact, we used to take our bath on the roadside. If you did not take your bath before 3 o'clock, forget your bait for that day. Eventually, I was able to scrape some money to get a small apartment in Ikorodu with my wife. And just when we thought we could breathe, life hit us harder. My wife got pregnant. We could not even pay rent and everything looked hopeless. As a matter of fact, we had already moved out of the house we rented. We moved in with my parents in their uncompleted building. That was where we gave birth and we were training the boy inside uncompleted building. No tiles, no plastering, no ceiling, no doors in most cases. Then in May 2020, I discovered crypto. 1 month into it, I made my first $1,000. The second month, it was $4,000. The third month, I made $12,000 freaking dollars. I used crypto to complete my parents' uncompleted building. I started buying lands, bought my first car, then the second, then the third. I even started building my dream house. Crypto literally changed my life, but I must warn you, I also made some stupid mistakes, costly mistakes. I once lost over $100,000 in 1 day. Why? Because I got too comfortable. I ignored risk management. I had no mentor to correct my foolishness. I started revenge trading. I started selling lands, selling my cars, sold laptops, sold phones just to revenge the market. I stopped selling lands when my dad seized the remaining of my documents. I did all this until I got completely wrecked. I slipped into depression. Waiting remain. I don't sell car, I don't sell land, I don't sell my laptops, I don't sell phones. Even my dignity was gone. But guess what? For 3 whole years, I was perambulating up and down, doing some menial hustle, like selling fish, selling provisions to survive, thinking, after all, there are some people that also survive without crypto. Let me just avoid this crypto for good. Forgetting that the $100,000 that I lost, if not for crypto, I wouldn't have even had that kind of money in the first place, talk less of losing it. But after 3 whole years, my eyes opened again and I was like, apart from crypto, what then are you doing? What else do I expect to give me the kind of money that I used to make? So I turned my pain into power. I used all the positive and negative experience to build myself. I brought myself back up from scratch. And here we are today. Today, I even mentor thousands of others, not just for my success stories, but also for my failures, so they know what to avoid. I show them how to win without losing their minds, also without losing their money. The proof of that are the screenshots you are seeing on your screen right here. So, if you have ever wanted to break free from the cycle of poverty, starting from today, you will start learning how crypto works. And if you start that journey with us, in less than 90 days, you can start making real money in the crypto space also. Having said that, here are the 5 biggest mistakes that people make in crypto that keeps them broke. Number 1, poverty mindset. If you think money is scarce or that rich people are either Yahoo boys or drug dealers or kidnappers, your brain will reject every single opportunity that's supposed to make you money. Number 2, no knowledge of the game. Crypto is not betting. If you don't know what you are doing, you make money today and you lose it all tomorrow. Number 3, no community. Without the right people around you, you will always be 10 steps behind. Your network is your net worth. That thing no be meme. Number 4, you have no mentor. You don't need more YouTube videos. What you need, my dear, is somebody who has succeeded and also failed that can hold your hand and guide you through this journey. Number 5, unwilling to invest in knowledge. Some people will rather lose 1 million naira in trading than to pay 100,000 naira to learn how how not to lose that 1 million. It's either you pay the right mentor and learn from their mistake and master their strategy, or you lose a huge chunk of money to the market when you're not supposed to. Here is a major rule in life. Everything you want in life comes at a price. All it will really take for you to achieve what you want to achieve is to know the price and be willing to pay the price. No matter how short you are, if you stand on the shoulder of a giant, you will be taller. Now that I have shown you the most common problems that you might have, here is a single solution to it all. But before I unveil this solution, let me ask you a few questions. What is financial freedom worth to you? If you were given a magic wand right now that could make all your dreams come true, how much can you pay for such power? Your dream of living in a good apartment, city center, owning your own house, driving your own car, taking care of your children, taking your family on vacations, all these and many more can be achieved within a short period of time by taking the 90 days to 5 million crypto mentorship program. What are the benefits that comes with this program? Apart from learning how to trade the sports and futures market, which is worth 100,000 naira, you will also learn DeFi trading, which consists of how to use DEX like JuleSwap, Uniswap, QuickSwap directly from your decentralized wallets. This too is worth 100,000 naira. You will learn how to raise trading capital from $0 using airdrop, NFT, and your newly acquired knowledge. This too is worth 100,000 naira. You will learn how to analyze trades using fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and artificial intelligence, which gives you an edge to make informed trading decisions, like knowing the right time to buy, to hold, and to sell, therefore maximizing profits. This is worth 100,000 naira also. You will also learn risk management and improve your trading psychology to drastically reduce your chances of making losses. This is also worth 100,000 naira. You will be added to a community of over 700 traders where you will be offered with consistent help whenever you are feeling stuck. You will also be added to a lifetime signal group so you can start making money even before you become a pro. You all know that this one is very, very expensive. Even if we choose to collect 50,000, 20,000 naira per month, at the end of 1 year, 2 years, you know how much you would have ended up paying, not to talk of lifetime. But let us just say this is worth 200,000. So in total, the value you'll be getting from the 90 days to 5 million mentorship program is worth at least 700,000. But am I going to be asking you to pay 700,000 even though it is worth it? Because you'll be able to make multiple folds of 700,000 within a short period of time. But that will be highly inconsiderate considering the current economic challenges facing Nigerians. The price of the course have therefore been crashed to 300,000 naira for the next 200 students, which is already counting. But lucky you. Remember I promised you a gift at the beginning of this video. So I am giving just 50 smart action takers a special discount for watching this video to this point. You get everything I mentioned and more for a chicken change of 90,000 naira. That one not even reach wetin most of una dey spend for local buy in just one night. There is an icing on the cake so we can quickly know the smart action takers. If you pay within 20 minutes of you receiving the link to this video as we speak, which means you clicked on the link to watch this video, immediately you got the link, you should have about 10 minutes more or less remaining. You will get it for only 70,000 naira. That is if you are paying within the first 20 minutes of you receiving the link on WhatsApp. But trust me, I'm not one of those marketers who lie to sell. I don't joke with my words. Once this offer is gone, it is gone for good. If you miss it, you miss it. But I also understand that some of you got this information impromptu. You did not plan for this. Therefore, you don't have the complete money at hand. So if you still want to grab your slot with this same price, you can simply secure the slot by paying whatever amount you have first within that 20 minutes and then pay the balance when you have it. Remember, the earlier you get your balance, the earlier you get access to the program. But that way, you will not be affected by the price increase. Also, I understand that you might be afraid. In your mind, what if this thing does not work out? And that is exactly why I have a 30 days money back guarantee on this program. That is, if you don't make at least 3 times the amount you invested in getting this mentorship program within your first 30 days, I will personally refund you and you will still be allowed to stay in class and also keep the course. You see that you have nothing to lose at all. I'm not hyping you at all. No, I am here to help you make money the right way. So this is your chance to start acting and take control of your life. Ready to start? Type the word AZA in my DM on WhatsApp and pay immediately as sent the account details. One last thing, you have heard my story. You have seen the value. You have been shown the path. This mentorship will literally change the way you think, the way you make decisions, and the way you make money for life. But only if you take action. Remember, crypto didn't just change my life. It saved my life. Let's work together to change yours too. Let's begin this your journey to freedom, wealth, and dignity together. So don't forget, the only way you get the opportunity to pay 70,000 naira is to go to my DM right now and ask for my account details, then pay immediately you are sent the account. Once 20 minutes have passed, you can only get access with 90k, and that 90k, remember, is for only the first 50 people. So you must be very, very fast if you want to secure a slot at this very ridiculously affordable price. Every day is not Christmas, so this opportunity is once in a lifetime. So type the word Azza in my WhatsApp right now and make payment immediately you see the account details. You are welcome.